Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove the header in Google Sites. First, visit or go to sites.google.com, then click on one of your websites. This is the header on this website. To delete it, simply select it like that. As you can see, a blue line outlines the header section. Just click on delete header and the header will be deleted. Don't forget to hit the button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Don't forget to hit the publish button to save your changes. And to add a header in Google Sites, simply go to the page you want to add the header on. Using your mouse, hover over the top part of your website or page, you will see a new button called add header. Click on it and your new header is added instantly. Same thing, don't forget to hit the publish button to save your changes. And this is how to add or remove the header section on Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.